Damn, you're so beautiful. I can't believe you are mine.
Thank you.
So I have waited for these days all my life.
Kicking me out. You got my head spinning. No kidding. I can't.
Baby, I know it's not a birthday, but
What is it?
you'll find out.
Beautiful mind. I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's God.
You're crazy and I'm out of
Baby,
my mind.
will you marry me?
Yes, 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 yes! Hello, Morenike! Hello, Ikiro! Hello, Akontai! Desmond proposed to me! Are you serious?
Your call credit has been exhausted and your call
Oh, God! Darling, please let me make use of your phone.
You can always do that later.
Oh no, but darling, I have to call my friends now. I have to call my friends. I am getting married.
Yes, you are. You are getting married, but you can always do that later.
Oh, I love you too. Mwah.
I have another surprise for you.
Another surprise.
Of course, anything for you. Here comes, meet your uncle.
Look at you. How are you?
Oh, fine, look at my ring.
Oh, very beautiful. Very
Yes.
beautiful. Congratulations. Yeah, that's it.
Uncle, so you knew about this?
Yes, now that's why you are my nephew.
Uncle, I'm your niece.
Okay, but just put yourself where you belong. Not where you. Good. You're my son.
No, be a love.
Anyone, you to fit yourself.
Yeah.
Very good. Lovely ring. Oh yeah, show the world. Show the world. Show the world.
No, it's not a case for that. It's not a case.
Baby fresh on the beach, be killing them all. My darling, what's up?
Baby, you're too much of you.
Somebody help! Somebody help! Oh God, baby, please wake up! Oh my God! Oh my God! Darling, wake up! Darling, wake up! Somebody help! Baby, your phone is locked. Your phone is locked. What is your password? Password?
Huh? Password? Give my phone. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'd rather die.